Hey there, my name is Jessica, and I have been using Emma's at home Pilates workouts for almost 3 years now. I started using her programs just after I gave birth to my son Leo, and I was looking for a way to get back into exercising that wasn't going to be putting a lot of strain or tension on my body. And so, right after I gave birth, or it wasn't right after, a few like 6 weeks or 2 months after I gave birth, I started doing the exercises, and I was doing them very consistently for probably about a period of, I'd say like 6 to 9 months. Then it was something I would dip in and out of. But somewhat recently, I have returned to Emma's workouts, and I'm so glad that I did. I've been looking for something I can do at home and can like fit around my busy lifestyle, and I have been blown away with everything that she gives in her monthly membership. I've really been enjoying the bar classes. I'm doing them consistently every day. And I love the fact how, Emma will sometimes show up and be doing public live streams as well. So you can be doing a live class with her. Her methods really, it's almost like she's in the class in the room working out with you. The tips she gives, her instructions are super clear. And that was always my concern around doing an at-home workout. Would I be doing it right? Could I be doing something which is damaging to my body, but I don't really know? But what I found with Emma is, she gives very clear instructions, and there's so many videos demonstrating how to do just one move. So you can go back if you're not sure and really make sure that you're doing it properly. For anyone who is, wanting to be doing at-home workouts, I really, really recommend Emma. Her classes on Pilates, bar, and yoga are super fantastic, and I'm so glad that I'm part of her community.